Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update DaVinci Resolve to generate thumbnails for consistent branding, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update DaVinci Resolve for generating thumbnails, first, open the application on your computer. Navigate to the main menu in the top left corner. Select DaVinci Resolve from the menu options. Click on Check for updates. If an update is available, a window will appear detailing the new version. Follow the prompts to download and install the update. Once installation is complete, restart DaVinci Resolve. After reopening, open a project where you'd like to create thumbnails. Go to the Edit page located at the bottom of the interface. Select the desired timeline you wish to generate a thumbnail for. Move the playhead to the frame you want to capture. In the top menu, click on File. Choose Render and then select Add to Render Queue. A new window will appear. Ensure your settings are correct. In the render settings, choose the format best suited for thumbnails. Select an appropriate file name for your thumbnail. Designate a folder where the thumbnail will be saved. Make sure to adjust the settings for resolution to match your branding. Once everything is set, click on Start Render. After rendering is complete, navigate to the folder where the thumbnail is saved. Use this thumbnail in your branding for consistency across all platforms. Repeat the process for any additional videos you wish to create thumbnails for. Explore different frames and styles to keep your branding fresh and appealing. Adjust the design elements as needed to align with your overall branding strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.